Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about what is an engulfing candle, so stay tuned. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. So in this video, I want to talk about what is an engulfing candle. So I'm going to start off by drawing out a couple of candles. Let's just make that one a little bit smaller. And let's just make this one here a little bit bigger. Okay. And I'm going to make these hopefully look something like candles. Might have to make them a little bit bigger. Okay, got that one there, got that one there, and we've got that one there. So we've got these couple of candles here. No, I've got them the wrong way around. Right, let's get them the right way around, okay? Green, right. I didn't change the colour of that one. Right, we got there. Okay, so we've got this candle here, which is a bullish candle. This is heading in an upwards direction, okay? And then we've got this candle here, which is heading in a downwards direction. So we've got bullish candle here, bearish candle here. And what we've got, this bearish candle, the body of this bearish candle fully engulfs this bullish candle here. So what happens is, because this body is a lot bigger than this body, this is called, it's basically a bearish engulfing candle. And then if we have it, I'm going to draw the same, let's take copies of these, okay? Let's just do the same. Okay, so I'm going to put these here. So this would be the other way around. So this would be bearish and this would be bullish. Okay, so in this instance, this one is going down in a bearish direction, and this is moving upwards in a bullish direction. And because this candle here engulfs this candle, this is a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so we've got bearish, bullish. Now I've deleted this one here, or I've just moved it, but anyway, you kind of get the idea. Let's just scrap that for a minute. So let's come over to the chart and let's see if we can find these here. Now, some people use engulfing candles as an only means of entering into a trade, of entering into a position. Now, I use it as just one confirmation for me to get into a trade. So I might say, right, I want to look for an engulfing candle, I want to look for imbalance, I want to look for the fibs to be lined up to a certain point, or whatever it is, okay? I use it as one confirmation of me entering a trade. Now, as I say, you've got this one here, you've got a candle moving up here, and then you've got this big engulfing candle moving in a downwards direction here. Now, if you were to say, okay, I'm just going to use an engulfing candle as a way of entering a trade, and say, right, I'll wait for this candle to finish and close, and then I'll enter the market. You know, there's not a lot going on down here. You're potentially going to lose out on that trade. This one here, you've got markets moving down, then the market moves up with this candle here. Let me just move this over here so you can see. Now, yes, this is an engulfing candle, but there's kind of, you know, they're very, very similar in size. I mean, yes, it is, the market does move back in that direction, but overall, are you in a bearish market or are you in a bullish market? You want to be trading with the trend, okay? You don't want to be trading using an engulfing candle against the trend. You want to be trading with the trend. Look at it, look at this over here. You've got this candle here moves downwards, and then you've got this upward moving candle here. This nice engulfing candle engulfs this candle here and then carries on moving in an upward direction. You've got another one down here, look, here, and moves in an upward direction. You've got one here and it moves in an upward direction. And then if we come to the bearish market, or the bearish side where the price is moving in a bearish direction, we've got one here, price moves down, one here, price moves down. You've got the engulfing candle here. What else have we got? Not got too much. And again, it all depends what time frame you're on and all the rest of it. So if you're going to use engulfing candles as part of your entry or whatever, use it as one confirmation only, okay? Don't use it as the only confirmation to enter a trade. Use it as one confirmation as part of your trading plan in order to enter that trade. So that's basically in a nutshell what an engulfing candle is. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you kind of understand a little bit more what an engulfing candle is and how you could kind of potentially use it as part of your entry, as part of your trading plan. So that's it for this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you in your trading journey. I look forward to talking with you, again real soon. Take care.